Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your site audits from Sitebulb, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your site audits from Sitebulb, start by launching the Sitebulb application on your computer. Once the application is open, navigate to the project you wish to back up. Click on the project to access its details and reports. In the project overview, locate the export option in the toolbar. Click on Export to reveal various file format options for your backup. Choose your preferred file format for the backup, such as CSV, PDF, or HTML. If you chose CSV, ensure you select the specific datasets you want to include in the export. For PDF formats, select the report sections you want to generate in the backup. Click on the Export button to initiate the backup process. Your browser will prompt you to choose a destination for saving the exported file. Select a folder on your computer where you want to store the backup. Rename the file if necessary, to ensure it's easily identifiable in the future. After saving, navigate to the folder where you stored the backup file to confirm it is there. You can now access this backup file whenever needed for future reference. If you have multiple projects, repeat these steps for each one to ensure all audits are backed up. By following these steps, you'll have a reliable backup of your site audits from Sitebulb. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.